B, we are asked to find the square root of 6,147 times 29.3 squared divided by 437. So the same way I did in the first example is what I'm going to do in this example B. I'm going to convert each of them to logarithm. Remember that multiplication in numbers is equivalent to addition in logarithm. Powers in numbers is equivalent to multiplication in logarithm. And division in numbers is equivalent to subtraction in logarithm. So we are going to draw our table, numbers and log. So this is 6147. 6147 in numbers is going to be 3 points. Remember, we have 4 digits because these are all whole numbers. So subtract 1 from 4, it gives you 3. We then look for 61 under 4, difference 7. What is 61 under 4? Go to your logarithm table. 61 under 4, 61 is here on the second half of the board. 61 under 4 gives us 7882. So I have 7882. Difference 7. I'll go back and pick my difference 7 under 61 under 4. Trace it. Difference 7 is 5. So I'll add 5 to it. And this gives me 7887. So this is going to be 3.7887. I'll do same to 29.3. 29.3, we'll take it one at a time, after which we'll then square it. 29.3, the characteristics is 1 point. We'll then look for 29 under 3. Go into your logarithm table. 29 under 3 is said to be 4669. This gives me 4669. But the question says square. So we are going to have 29.3 squared. And square in numbers means multiplication in logarithm. So I'm going to multiply this by 2. 2 times 9 is 8. You carry 1. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 1 is 13. Carry 1. This will also give us 13. Carry 1. 8 plus 1 is 9.2. So therefore, we have done this. Now looking at the numerator, we have 6,147 times 29.3 squared. So we are going to carry out this operation before we go to the denominator. So I'm going to add them together. But before then, to make my work look neater, I'm going to close this column and take it to the next column so that I don't make any mistake. So this is 3.7887 to be added to 2.9338. 6147 times 29.3 squared is going to be the sum of these two, and 7 plus 8 is 15. Carry 1. This is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. You carry 1. This is also 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. You carry 1. This is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. Carry 1. This is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So this is what you will get as the numerator. Then going to the denominator. The denominator, we have 437. 437 in number is equivalent to 2 points. Then look for 43 under 7 in logarithm. 43 under 7, this is 43. Under 7 is 6405. 6405. 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. You carry 1. This is also 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. You carry 1. This is also 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. You carry 1. This is also 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. You carry 1. This is also 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. You carry 1. This is also 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. You carry 1. This is also 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. You carry 1. This is also 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. You carry 1. This is also 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. You carry 1. This is also 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. You carry 1. This is also 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. You carry 1. This is also 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. You carry 1. This is also 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. You carry 1. This is also 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. You carry 1. This is also 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. You carry 1. This is we are done. We have the numerator. We are done with the numerator. We have gotten the values for the denominator. Now we are going to carry out the operation of division. And the operation of division in number is equivalent to subtraction in logarithm. So let's subtract. I'll take it to this column. So this is 2.6405. So this is said to be 6147 in numbers times 29.3 squared, all divided by 437, which is going to be the difference of these two. 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 4, it cannot. You borrow 1, this becomes 6, and this is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 6 minus 6 is 0. And 6 minus 2 is 4. The question does not stop there. We are asked to find the square root of all of these. So this will then be square root of 6147 times 29.3 squared, all divided by 437. Root in numbers is equivalent to division in log. So I'm going to divide my answer by 2. So this is to be divided by 2. And when you do that, this gives you 2.2 into 0 is 0. 2 into 8 is 4. 2 into 1, 2 is 1 and 0. So we have gotten the value of this, square root of this. So we then look for the anti-log. Anti-log of 2.0410, which is equal to, like I said, this is going to give us a value times 10 raised to the power of the characteristics, which is 2. So I'll then go to the anti-log table to find the value of 0.04 under 1 difference 0. Difference 0 means 0, so I'm going to look for 0.04 under 1. This is my anti-log table. 0.04 is this, under 1 is 1099. So this is going to be 1099. That is 1.099. And when you multiply 1.099 times 100, of course, this is going to be, which means you can move the decimal points 2 times, is going to be 109.9. When you use your calculator to do this, you will still arrive at 109.9. So this is the solution when you use both numbers and logarithm. But the question says we should evaluate using logarithms. I should use the tables of logarithm to evaluate the following. All I did was to convert each number to logarithm, solve them in terms of logarithms, and then convert them back to numbers. Kindly like my video as you watch. Why I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. You can also share the link with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from this project. You can also follow me on Facebook at My Lesson Teacher Maths, also on TikTok at My Lesson Teacher, and on Instagram with the same handle. Let's take example 2.